Class 10, exercise number 6.3, question number 4. An aeroplane at an altitude of 1800 meter, find two boats are sailing towards in it the same direction. The angle of depression of the boats are observed from the aeroplane are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the distance between the two boats, and then the root 3 value is given as 1.732. See, by the given conditions, this is the height of, this is the position of aeroplane. Let me take it as the height of that altitude, right? Distance of the aeroplane to the ground is 1800 meter. The two boats are sailing on the same direction, so let me take it as, this is the boat 1, this is the boat 2. The angle of depression, so the horizontal line is here, the below the horizontal line is the depression, right? So first we have 0, 10, 20, 30, right? So the first angle is 30 degree, and then again they have seen the another boat at the same point. Then we have to count the angle like this: 0, 10, 30, 40, 50, and then this angle is 60 degree, right? Let me take it as A, B, C, D be the position of the two boats. Now we want to find the distance of this two boat, X, and also we don't know the distance of the first boat to the altitude, this B point, so let me take it as Y. By the transversal condition, this angle is 30 means, see this line, this angle is 30 means, then this angle also 30 degree. By the transversal again, this angle is 60 means, then this angle is also 60 degree. Let me say that here, let AB be the altitude of aeroplane, right? And then C and D be the position of two boats, and then the angle of ACB is equal to 60 degree, and then angle of ADB is equal to 30 degree. Let me take it as AB is given as 1800 meter, and then the distance of DC is, we have taken it as X, and the CB has taken as Y. In triangle, first I choose the triangle ACB. In triangle ACB, I draw here. This is A, this is C, this is B, this is Y, 60 degree, and then 1800. See, angle is inclined here, so it is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent side. The relation or ratio of opposite and adjacent side is nothing but tan theta opposite divided by adjacent. Here theta is 60 degree, tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side is 1800 divided by adjacent side is Y. We know that tan value, tan 60 is equal to root 3, right? Here we have that 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3, and then infinity. It is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, and then 90 degree. So 60 angle we get root 3. So root 3 is equal to 1800 divided by Y. I take this Y to this side, then Y is equal to 1800 divided by root 3. So it is in the denominator. So I try to multiple and divide by the same root 3, then Y is equal to 1800 root 3 divided by root 3 into 3 is nothing but 3. Then you divide this, we get 600. Therefore Y is equal to 600 root 3. We take it as equation number 1. Next we take the another triangle, that is the ADB triangle. When you take the ADB, the distance of DB is X plus Y. The distance of DB is X plus Y. Here I have drawn the triangle separately. That is a triangle, a right angle triangle ADB. Opposite divided by adjacent side is tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent side. Here theta is 30 degree, so tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side is 1800 divided by adjacent side is x plus y. We know that tan 30 value. See here, tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Then I substitute the value 1 by root 3 into 1800 divided by x plus y. I take this x plus y to this side and root 3 to another side means 1800 root 3. Now y we have already found out the value, that is y is equal to 600 root 3 by equation number 1. From equation number 1, so x plus 600 root 3 is equal to 1800 root 3. Then x is equal to 1800 root 3 minus, I take this another term, right? Now both the terms are equal, right? 1800 root 3, here also 600 root 3, so we can subtract this term. X is equal to 1800 minus 600 is equal to 1200 root 3, or otherwise if we take the root 3 commonly outside, then we have to subtract it. That is also another method. Then 1200 into root 3 value is given as 1.732. Now multiple this term, we get the value x is equal to 2078.4 meter. We get, when we multiple this, we get 2078.4 meter. So the distance between the two boat is 2078.4 meter is the answer. Thank you, students.